Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how topics cannot verify identity. Your action could not be completed because of a server error. Try again. For example, if you try to log in into your Apple ID and you see this kind of error on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to try to remember your password, and you have to make sure that you have provided the correct password. And after that, you can simply restart your device. So if you want to restart, then you have to simply press and hold the power and volume button, and after that you have to slide to power off your iPhone. So after that, you have to simply restart your device, and after restarting the device, you have to simply make sure that it is now working properly. The next thing you have to do is you have to log in into your Apple ID again, and you have to check whether this time that error occurs or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support, and you have to take the screenshot of the problem and ask the Apple support to solve the problem for you. If the problem is still there, then you can also discuss it in the Apple discussion forum, and after that you have to simply check for the solution if any solution is available in Apple discussion. And you can also ask for the solution in the Apple discussion forum community, and after that you will get any solution for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.